Hey everyone, I'm Rennie of Rennie's Kitchen, and if you're new over here, welcome to Rennie's Kitchen. And today I'm going to make wheat pudding. So, first add 1/4 cup of clarified butter in a pan and let it melt. And then add 1/4 cup of wheat and mix it well. The consistency of it should not be very thin and it should not be very thick. Now I'm going to keep it aside and I'm going to take another pan, and in it I'm going to add 1/4 cup of jaggery and 3/4 cup of water, and let the jaggery melt in the water, and then keep the jaggery water aside. Now keep the wheat mixture on the stove for 2 minutes on low flame, and if when you see the bubbles are popping up, add the jaggery water in it and give it a good mix. It should mix well, and then you can see that the consistency is getting thicker and thicker. That time, just turn off the gas. And after that, if you want to garnish it with some dry fruits, you can do it. I added almonds, cashews, pistachio, and yep, my wheat pudding is ready. Thank you.